Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to resize videos for YouTube Shorts and Kapwing. YouTube Short is a YouTube platform for the vertical short form videos optimized for the mobile viewing as well. And short videos should ideally be in the 9:16 vertical aspect ratio and under 60 seconds. And if you have existing horizontal or square videos, you will need to resize or crop them to fit the vertical frame without losing the key content. So in order to do that, open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type down kapwing.com and enter it. And over here you can simply select this create a new video as well, or you can simply go to one of the tabs as well. And once you get under this editing timeline, what you can do is change the canvas size to 9:16. On the right hand side we can find there's an option with edit background save zones. Click onto this YouTube here, which is for the save zones, and select this resize canvas here. Over here, and it will automatically change the canvas size to the 9:16, and Kapwing will automatically adjust the canvas size, showing your video inside the vertical timeline as well. And make sure your video is under 60 seconds as well, and you can also trim the video length if you want. And after you're done, you can click onto this export project in the top right and choose the MP4 format for the YouTube Shorts as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.